How to install plugins in FL Studio. So here my FL Studio is pretty much bare bones. It doesn't have any plugins. And I thought the way to do this tutorial is to download a plugin from scratch. Now I want to download Valhalla Supermassive, so I'm just gonna type in that plugin. Like that. Let's go here. And let me just log in. Now that I've logged in, let's go to downloads, scroll down to the Supermassive, and let's download this one right here. Let's click save, and once it's downloaded, head over to the file location, open this up like this, and run the exe. Now let's accept this. And now this is the important bit. Now I've downloaded FL Studio on my SSD, and my SSD is the C. So that means that the FL Studio VST2 file is in C. And that's important. You want to remember the location. Now click next. So it's program files, common files, and then VST2 and 3. Let's install this and finish setup. Now, if you're downloading a plugin that doesn't have an installation setup like this one, you'll wanna carry the DLL files manually to the file location. Now let's go to FL Studio. Let's go to the more plugins, and let's click manage plugins. And now let's click find installed plugins. And if we don't find anything, then we're gonna have to change the folder. But now it pretty much, yep, it found it. It's right here. So let's put a little star right here. Let's do that. Now, because this is an effect plugin and it's not an instrument plugin, we're just gonna have to go here, go into a track, and because we checked the star, it's gonna be here, Valhalla Supermassive. And that's how to download plugins in FL Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.